switchboard of the station has been hacked. To prevent a major train collision, you will have to crack the 3-digit code of the switchboard to reboot the system. The specific code is hidden in the old yellow information boards. You will be provided with a map of the Netherlands. 3 cities have been marked without their names. It is your job to figure out the names of the cities. Once you have done so, head to the old yellow information boards. Find out from which platform the trains depart to each one of these cities on the given departure time. Enter the platform numbers in the correct order and the switchboard will then reboot itself. You have 3 chances to crack the code, but time is limited.